Hello, welcome at Cabrio Supply. My name is Rutger, and in this video we're going to show you how to exchange your side fence from the pre-facelift model into the facelift model. We're going to start at the lowest bottom. There are 3 clips. We're going to try to remove them carefully. So what you need is this part. It's an upholstery clip remover. You can get it at every car part store, and this way you won't damage the paint job. So the clips are gone, and you can pull it out. What's very important, if you take this one out, you clean the gutter, the rain gutter, from your top. As you can see, there are a little bit leaves inside of it. Once this gets cluttered, you get a lot of water inside the rain gutter of your car. This is the old side fence, so we're going to remove the clips. This one's a little bit stuck. I'm going to attach them to the new facelift. So here it is. First we're going to slide it back. And then we're going to press exactly where the clips are. And we're done.